morning students. Today we are going to start with the second chapter, that is structure of atom. And for that I am going to start with the most basic term, that is matter. What matter is? Anything which occupies space and has mass is known as matter. Now this you have done in your previous classes also, that matter exists in three different states, that is solid, liquid and gas. अब जब साइंटिस्ट को कुछ नहीं पता था तो उन्होंने कहा कि वी आर सराउंडेड विद मैटर ओनली, क्योंकि हमारे अराउंड जो भी चीज़ है वो क्या है, सॉलिड, लिक्विड या गैस. देन दे स्टार्ट डिवाइडिंग मैटर. व्हेन दे स्टार्टेड डिवाइडिंग मैटर, they arrive to the smallest particle which further cannot be divided, and they term it as atom. If we compare it with a piece of paper, अगर हम एक पेपर को फाड़ना शुरू कर दें और तो हम अल्टीमेटली एक ऐसे छोटे पीस पर पहुंचेंगे जिसे हम फर्दर आगे और नहीं फाड़ सकते, उसका और छोटा टुकड़ा नहीं बना सकते. इसी तरह if we go on dividing matter, ultimately we will reach to the smallest particle which is known as atom. Then as you know that atom is further made up of three subatomic particles, that is electron, proton and neutron. Electrons carry negative charge, protons carry positive charge and neutrons carry no charge. Then how do the scientists they come to know that atom further can be divided into these three subatomic particles? For this, the general observation was that they rubbed two substances. When two substances were rubbed, they started attracting towards each other. Now they thought that both are matter, both are made up of atoms. When atom further cannot be divided, then what is there that they have started attracting towards each other? For that, they thought that unlike charges attract each other. When unlike charges attract each other, then this observation leads to the conclusion कि एटम के अंदर कोई चार्ज पार्टिकल्स हैं जो रबिंग के कारण they have started attracting towards each other. Now these two unlike charges are electrons and protons. So from this general observation they arrive to the conclusion कि इसका मतलब एटम के अंदर दो चार्ज पार्टिकल्स तो है, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एंड प्रोटॉन्स. But we are also aware that neutrons they are also there. If they are there, then how do they come to know that neutrons they are there? For that, as we know what atomic number is, it is the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom, and what atomic mass is, it is the mass of an atom of a particular chemical substance. So what they do they compare the atomic number and atomic mass of hydrogen and helium. And what they observe that atomic number of while going from hydrogen to helium, it is getting doubled and atomic mass is becoming 4 times. From here they concluded that there might be some particles in the atom which are not contributing towards the charge but they are contributing towards the mass. So from this general observation they arrive to the conclusion that there is one more subatomic particle in the atom, that is neutron. So at the last the conclusion is that atom further can be divided into three subatomic particles, that is electron, proton and neutron. But all these were the general observations. Experimental facts they are also required to prove that these three subatomic particles they are present in the atom. In the next part, we will discuss about the experimental facts which were conducted to prove that these particles they are there in the atom. Thanks.